Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Missing. The police now believe she was kidnapped or is just very good at hiding. The abduction took place as Mayor...
About time, Chief. Mayor. One of our squad cars found this in a telephone booth. An anonymous caller tipped us off this location.
We have your daughter. Pay us $1 million or we'll kill her. Details later. Have a nice day.
By the way, sir, your home security guard is in critical condition.
You know, the poor man. He was like an employee to me.
We're at the scene of a liquor store robbery that was thwarted by the man beside me, Inspector Sledge. Inspector Hammer, tell us what happened.
Well, miss, I was in this store when two thugs entered and threatened the owner with shotguns. At that time, I drew my magnum and killed them both. Then I bought some eggs and some milk and some of those little cocktail weenies.
Inspector Hammer, was what you did in the store absolutely necessary?
Oh, yes, I had no groceries at all.
This Sledgehammer. Who is he?
A menace. He used to fire warning shots at jaywalkers. Now, after this liquor store incident, I placed him on 6-month suspension with orders not to leave his apartment.
Well, take him off suspension and put him on this case.
Mr. Mayor, rumor has it that this man talks to his gun like it was a person.
This isn't open for discussion. This is an order. I want Sledgehammer!
Consideration and keep it down, will you? I'm on a phone! Huh? Hey, other people live here, all right? Dang, noisy neighbors. Okay, go ahead, speak to me. You got it. I'll be right down. You hear that? I'm off suspension. Looks like they can't keep a good man down, huh? Or me either.
What's going on? I gotta get to work.
I've got a sniper on that roof.
The building evacuated?
Yeah.
We got vermin on the roof. But I got an idea.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Machine took my money.
Stand away from it.
No! Hammer! In my office right now! What the hell did I tell you about firing your gun inside, Hammer?
You said don't do it.
You damn right I told you not to do it. And take off those damn sunglasses when I'm talking to you.
What sunglasses?
I said take them off! You couldn't resist it, could you, Hammer? You couldn't resist blowing up a building on your way to work this morning, could you, Hammer?
Look, the only way to fight criminals is to be, wilder than air.
I mean, that's my method.
I feel a migraine coming on. There's a migraine here.
Captain, I feel that the reason you keep getting these headaches is your neck is out of line. What you need is a chiropractic adjustment. Is that better?
You sadistic, depraved, bloodthirsty barbaric!
Is that why you called me in here to shower me with compliments?
No! I suppose you heard what happened to the mayor's daughter?
Nope.
She was kidnapped last night from the mayor's own home. And you have been personally requested to head up the investigation into the matter.
Requested? Really? By whom?
By me. I'm impressed with the way you get results, Hammer. Chief Reisner told me once you obtained information from a suspect by tying him to the back of your car and dragging him through half the city.
No, that's bunk. Half the city. No, we never left the parking lot.
Chief, I find this man perfectly rational. Anybody mind if I smoke?
Oh, you light a cigarette in front of me, sir. You know what you get?
Oh, no!
A stick of gum. The Surgeon General has determined that cigarette smoking is very bad for your health. Why don't you just quit?
Pardon me.
Ah, Detective, please come in. Gentlemen, meet Detective Dory DeRoe. There is no one more knowledgeable in her field.
What's that, arranging things in alphabetical order?
Hammer, I'm warning you.
It's all right, Captain. My background in terrorist psychology and defense tactics should hold its own against any joke. The voice of the man who called with the ransom note tip was put on tape. The voice belongs to the leader of a clandestine terrorist group known as the AVON.
Avon? Ding dong.
The Allied Violent Offense Network. Could we kill the lights, please?
Keep that gun in your holster, Hammer.
This is the symbol of the organization. I feel it speaks for itself. This is the leader of the group, Weird Williard Luxley. Luxley's family was so certain their son would turn out rotten, they put him up for adoption 3 years before he was born. This is Feliz Navidad, a fiery Latin revolutionary who illegally entered this country by posing as Julio Iglesias. Lastly, we have former member Kurt Krugel, a despicable pervert. First arrested 5 years ago for making love to a fire hydrant. An additional charge was brought against Krugel for parking in front of it. Could we have the lights, please?
Well, I've heard enough. I'll just find Krugel and torture him and get him to tell me where the other scum suckers are hiding.
I don't care what methods you use, Hammer. Just bring back my daughter.
I will, sir. Dead or alive.
But the point is to bring her back alive, Hammer.
Oh, right. No, alive, of course. What I say, dead? No, I don't want my head set.
Sledge, it's my idea that you and, DeRoe would, sort of team up on this case.
She's a woman, sir. Look at her. She's a woman, sir. She's clearly a woman, right? With all due respect. Look, I'm not going to partner with a woman.
You will partner with Pia Zadora if the chief asks you to. Do you understand that?
The only partner I need is my amigo right here.
I told you to put that...
Sorry, Captain. That was reflex.
Reflex. Okay.
Come on, lady.
That man makes Rambo look like Pee Wee Herman.
Well, I take it you're driving. You better start searching for Krugel.
All right, look, lady. As long as we're stuck together, let's get one thing straight, all right? I'm the guy, all right? I'm the man. I'm the guy. And I call the shots. Got it? I call the shots, and I fire the shots. Comprehendo?
Look, why don't you just drop this adolescent macho cop act of yours? It's humanly impossible for anyone to be as nihilistic as you're pretending to be. What?
Freeze, pizza face. There you are, ma'am. You all right?
Oh, thank you.
It's not dirty. This kind of stuff shouldn't happen, should it? Bye-bye. All right, stand up, ragweed. Pronto!
Hammer, what are you doing?
I'm going to teach this little genetic mistake a lesson.
We're in front of City Hall. You want to be taken in for police brutality?
What All right. All right. I'm not even gonna touch the sea urchin. Stand back, Duro. So, big shot. Time to pick on somebody your own size. Punch yourself in the mouth.
What?
You heard me. Punch yourself in the mouth. Right now, it's an order. Oh, come on. Harder than that. Otherwise, I'm gonna do it. I'm telling you. All right, that was nice. Now slug yourself in the stomach. All right, look, I'm running out of time. Just finish yourself off. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. All right, Duro, let's scour the seamy side of this city and find ourselves a sleazeball by the name of Kruger.
I recommend you invest in Cup and Industrial at 50 shares.
Ele perdeu tudo e virou um homem solitário. A melhor vingança será fazer outras pessoas sentirem o gosto da solidão. Tornando-se único. Clint Eastwood, Josie Wales, o Fora da Lei. Hoje, no TCM.
Atenção, isto não é um exercício, isto não é um exercício. Alarme geral, alarme geral.
Algumas guerras são menos intensas do que determinadas batalhas pessoais.
Maldito do seu pai nos traiu.
John Wayne.
Eu sou seu pai, Tiago.
Kirk Douglas.
Estamos em uma nova guerra.
E Henry Fonda.
Você pensa que os traiu por ter sobrevivido?
Estrelando a primeira vitória. Amanhã, no TCM. Nas míticas terras do Oriente Médio, sob o poder otomano durante 4 séculos, um oficial inglês promoverá a rebelião das tribos árabes e fará que obtenham sua independência, terminando uma guerra e se tornando uma lenda. Ganhadora de 7 Oscars, incluindo o melhor filme e melhor diretor. Peter O'Toole é Lawrence de Arábia. Lawrence de Arábia, no TCM.
That's his license. That's his van. Girls, wait in the car.
I'm with you.
Look, you're gonna get me killed, aren't you?
Look, Hammer, I'm a cop, not some school marm.
Go away. Go away. Go away. All right. Just make sure nobody comes in behind me, all right?
Okay, ladies, waiting to John.
They don't speak English.
Okay, Fliege, gehen event topatua.
You spoke perfect Swedish.
Those are the only words I know. All right, look, I'm a cop. My name is Sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer?
All right, come on, I'm taking you in for questioning.
Wait, come on. I gotta put some clothes on first.
Well, go ahead and do it.
Could you turn around? Please. I'm modest. Okay, I'm decent now, you stinking cop.
Always keep a gun on you when you're getting a massage?
How else is a creep like me gonna get a woman to even give him one? All right, drop the piece, huh? Slowly.
I heard a shot!
Duro, that was excessively violent and completely unnecessary. I loved it. It was poetry in motion.
Thank you. I was top of my class in hand-to-hand combat.
I'd like to fight you sometime, Duro.
You're on. So, who do you think the cowboy is?
Oh, he's the manager. Good friend of mine. Let's get out of here before he wakes up.
Okay, have access to all the names and salaries of everyone on the mayor's payroll. Why are you so prejudiced against computers?
That's how I met my wife. In a computer dating service.
You're married, Hammer?
Was married. Nah, she ran off about 3 years ago. Ran off with some geek member of the Peace Corps. Said he was more sensitive than me. Can you believe that? Oh, my God.
Well, you know, some women just can't take being married to a cop.
I don't know. I guess some women just can't take being married to a cop. She was always accusing me of bringing my work home with me, you know? She just didn't understand, you know? You don't leave it at the office. I'm a cop. I'm a cop. All the other cops are wusses, except me. I can't let my guard down for 1 minute.
Hammer, you just did.
All right, punch up the mayor's personal finances, will you? I'll bet the perpetrator is a member of his immediate family.
Well, that only leaves the mayor's wife, which is highly unlikely. She's one of the most respected women in the city. Look at this. Mrs. Flambeau supports every worthy charity in existence.
Yeah. Well, I said my favorite one.
What's that?
Toy guns for tots.
You did it again, Hammer. Kurt Krugel is filing a complaint against you as we speak right now, Hammer.
Captain Trunk, Hammer has managed to obtain vital information.
Shut up, Doro. You keep defending this buffoon's actions, and you're going to be in hot water, too.
Well, the traitor is the wife.
What, Mrs. Flambeau?
That's right. The wife kidnapped her own innocent daughter. I'm gonna go have a chat with her.
Look, Hammer, I totally disagree with this theory, but as your partner, I'm prepared to back you up 100%. Let me go with you. I'm just gonna make a few calls.
I like her.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm just...
My wife? That's absurd.
Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Sorry about the handcuffs, sir, but she resisted arrest. She's quite a fighter. Well, I guess you know that.
Janet!
Jack! You would not believe the indignity I've been put through.
I hate to say it, sir, but your wife is a lying, scheming, deceitful, no-good piece of white trash.
Oh, I've known that for years. But she had nothing to do with the kidnapping. Chief, put this numbskull back on suspension for the rest of his life.
Oh, wait, I don't understand.
I've just had a call from the kidnappers.
Aha.
I have no course now but to capitulate, thanks to you. Duro, I want you to deliver the ransom to them.
Wait a minute. Whoever that messenger is probably going to get killed. Let me do it.
That sounds like a terrific idea.
No. The last thing I need in my hands now is a shootout. Now get out!
Be careful, Duro.
I will, Hammer.
Step forward. Slowly. So they sent us a little lady. And a foxy one at that. Hand over the money, tramp.
Not until I see that Francine Flambeau is safe.
Police!
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. How you doing, Francine?
I haven't eaten in a day and a half, and I missed last night's Dynasty.
But this person is clean.
You can drop the victimized society girl routine. You're an accomplice in your own abduction.
Just what are you talking about, pig?
Financial records gave me the name of the college that Francine attended 4 years ago. You attended at the exact same time, Luxley. My hunch is that you two know each other and are an item.
I applaud your ingenuity. See, I loathe my father, and now I'll escape from under his fascist thumb, along with my lover, my comrades, and $1 million.
Perfect plan, Francine.
And once we're safely away, I'll kill you myself.
You'd kill me for a briefcase full of shredded paper?
There's nothing but confetti in here! Surprise! Party's over, crumb cakes.
And just who are you, man?
Yeah, sucker. And why are you smiling? Why? Because I'm trigger happy, that's why.
You're dead, man.
You may be right. All right, let's get this over with. I got an aerobics class in the morning. You just ruined my best sports jacket. Now I'm really mad. I almost forgot I had a grenade in my pocket. Lucky this jacket didn't go to the cleaners. Oh. 3 down, 1 to go. You deserve a good spanking, girlie.
Drop the gun, or this broad gets it.
Please be my guest. Go ahead, kill her. And then I'll just go ahead and kill you.
She's serious, Hammer.
I'm sure she is, Dory. And as a policewoman, I know you're prepared to die in the line of duty.
All right, it's done. It's just you and me. Now drop the gun this instant. I know you'd never shoot at a woman.
Sorry, Francine. Call me a feminist.
Does that hurt?
Anytime a really nice sports jacket gets ruined, it hurts.
Thank goodness you followed me here.
No, don't thank goodness. Thank gun.
Thanks, Sledge.
Enough warmth.
Aqui fala Washington. Acabamos de receber a confirmação.
No dia da morte de John Fitzgerald Kennedy, muitas histórias vieram à tona. Mas só uma começaria a ser revelada.
Eu lhe dei esse diário porque pensei que poderia dar uma história de interesse humano, não o início de uma investigação.
John Voight em O Dossiê de Odessa. Hoje, no TCM.
Suspendam o lançamento. A interceptação vai fragmentar mísseis que cortam vacilos. Repito, suspendam o lançamento.
A guerra biológica transformou os sobreviventes em vampiros mutantes.
Meu Deus, já está escurecendo. Eles vão acordar a qualquer hora.
Mas agora, eles são os seres humanos normais. E o único sobrevivente normal será o diferente, o anormal.
Ele é parte dos mortos. Não há lugar para ele aqui. Você está descartado.
O monstro que precisa ser eliminado. Charlton Heston em A Última Esperança sobre a Terra. Amanhã, no TCM.
own daughter. Just like her mother. An idiot. Nevertheless, Duro, congratulations on a job well done.
Thank you, sir, but I can't take all the credit myself.
Yeah, you can.
Detective Duro, in a few moments, it'll be my great pleasure to present you with a full promotion.
That's not fair.
Oh, stop worrying about Hammer and concern yourself with your own career.
Thank you, sir. I respectfully decline the promotion.
What? Am I hearing correctly?
Seems like you're hearing pretty well.
Let's go, partner.
Duro, you're off your rocker.
True. But I know what I'm doing.